Aisha Panda of Standard 8. I'm studying in BJM School, Bhubaneswar, Odisha. My main hobby is painting. My extra hobbies are writing essay, quiz, debate, attending exhibitions, Olympiads, etc. I have received many prizes in painting, including international, national, state, journal, blog, city, etc. I have also been received many prizes in the online art competition held during this coronavirus pandemic. My memorable year are 2016 and 2019. I have been the CCRT Government Scholarship holder and the national level winner of Axis Bank and got a free trip to Dubai. I have also been the winner of Petroleum Conservation Research Association. I have got a cycle from the Gang Bicycle. I have also been honored as a little guest from Geological Survey of India. I have been the winner of several newspapers like Sambad, Samaj, Surya Prabha, etc. I have got many cash prizes around 1 lakh. I have also got many prizes from Chief Minister of Odisha and other ministers. I have also got the Rajiv Gandhi Pratibha Puraskar and the Student of the Year.
My daughter Aisha achieved many prizes from state level, national level and international level. She has multi-talent girl.
मेरी बेटी आयशा स्टैंडर्ड 8 में पढ़ती है। उसकी पढ़ाई भी अच्छा है। पढ़ाई के साथ साथ वो एक्स्ट्रा करिकुलर एक्टिविटीज में उसका इंटरेस्ट है।
She is based on her painting, debate, essay writing and GK competition. She always busy with her activities. She never wastes her time.
We have been very good school friends since 6 years now, and we are neighbors too. She is really proactive. In spite of all of these, she has managed to excel in academics as well.
As a student, I have always seen her receiving several prizes in the assembly ground of our school. We have always cheered for her and felt immensely proud to see her in print medias.
She is a very good and talented person of our school. काफ़ी अच्छा ड्राइंग कर लेती है, नॉट ओनली स्टेट एंड डिस्ट्रिक्ट लेवल, वो नेशनल एंड इंटरनेशनल लेवल का भी प्राइज़ रिसीव कर चुकी है। काफ़ी अच्छा लगता है जब वो इतना प्राइज़ हमारे स्कूल को लेकर आती है।
Aisha Panda is a very talented child of our school, Bakshi Jagabandhu English Medium School. She has been studying here since lower nursery and she is a student at present of class 8 and she has proved her mettle in many areas. And best of all the thing is that she is a good artist and she has been drawing, painting a lot. And not only that, she has won a lot of prizes for the school also.
वो पार्टिसिपेट करता है और प्राइज भी विन करके आता है। मैं उसके सफलता के लिए बहुत खुश हूँ एज ए मदर।
She has also bagged many national prizes and one of her greatest achievement of all times will be her visit to Dubai.
She has received a reward from Mr. Naveen Patnaik, the Honorable Chief Minister of Odisha.
बहुत सारे स्टूडेंट होते हैं जो कि पेंसिल लाइन ड्राइंग करते हैं, फिर जाके स्केच पेन से आउटलाइन कंप्लीट करते हैं, लेकिन हमारा ये जो आयशा पंडा है वो डायरेक्ट ड्राइंग कर लेती है स्केच पेन से, डोंट एनी यूज द पेंसिल इरेजर, इतना यूज नहीं करती है, डायरेक्ट स्केच पेन से लाइन ड्राइंग कंप्लीट करती है, कलर कंप्लीट कर देती है।
I strongly recommend the name of Aisha Panda, a student of standard 8 of a school, for International Book of Records Award. Aisha Panda is a child prodigy. She has great talents in scholastic and also co-scholastic activities.
आयशा पंडा को मैं कक्षा 4 से अच्छे से जानती हूँ। वो आर्ट की कला में बहुत निपुण है। कक्षा अध्यापिका होने के नाते मैं यह भी जानती हूँ कि वो बहुत शांत है, समझदार है, हेल्पिंग नेचर है। कला कौशल के साथ साथ पढ़ाई लिखाई में बहुत अच्छी है। 90% अगर मार्क रखती है। अपनी पेंटिंग के माध्यम से उसने अनेकों पुरस्कार प्राप्त करके हमारे बख्शी जगबंधु अंग्रेजी विद्यालय को गौरवान्वित किया है।
जब भी जहाँ पर भी जो भी कंपटीशन के लिए वो जाती है पार्टिसिपेट करने के लिए, तो सारे कंपटीशन में मतलब जितना भी टाइम उसे ड्यूरेशन दिया जाता है पेंटिंग कंपटीशन के लिए, वो उसी टाइम के अंदर ही अपना ड्राइंग को पॉजिटिवली कंप्लीटली प्रेजेंट करती है।
She is a very pleasant child. She takes keen interest in everything that she does. She is sincere and disciplined, and I'm sure she'll go a long way, not only academically, but I think she'll make a name in the field of art also, in the artists that are there in the country maybe.
In lockdown, I have done many paintings. So some of the painting that I'm going to show you. So this is my painting on the coronavirus pandemic and solution, in which I have showed that we should respect our frontliners who fight against the coronavirus, and these are some of the stages. This is my coronavirus painting. So this is my painting on save environment, in which we show that the tree is the only one that can save our environment. So these are the steps that we should take in order to save our environment. This is my save environment topic painting. In day-to-day life, we need yoga in order to stay healthy and stay fit. So this is my painting on the yoga, where we should do yoga, and there are some steps in order to stay healthy and fit. So this is my topic. So this is my painting on say no to drugs and yes to life. So this is my painting on how to save the animals. This is my painting on digital India. So this is my drawing on the topic save earth. So this is my drawing on the topic save water, save life. So this is my painting in one of the Indian festival, that is Holi. So this is my painting in order to tribute our Indian soldiers who sacrifices their life for us. So this is my painting on global warming. So this is my painting of Zero Malaria Starts With Me and its prevention. So this is my painting on the village scenery. So this is my painting on the tiger conservation. These two are my Corona paintings. So this is the drawing of the Lord Jagannath, who is the universal God, and it is here their temple, and it is the food they ate, and these are the lotus, which is very favorite of Lord Jagannath, and it is the main part is the wood from where Lord Jagannath is made. And this is my traditional work of Lord Jagannath.
I bless and wish for her bright future.
Thank you.
I am very proud for her and am wishing bright future for her.
We are very proud of you, Aisha, and keep achieving heights of success.
I wish her all the very best for all her future endeavor. May God bless you.
I wish her all success in her future.
I'm really proud of her.
एंड आई रियली प्राउड ऑफ यू आयशा, और उसके ब्राइट फ्यूचर के लिए मेरे हमेशा गुड विशेष हमेशा उसके साथ रहेगा.
I wish her all success in life, and whatever she does, I hope she does it with full dedication and she achieves her goal. And at the moment she is doing well, and I wish her all the best for future also.
Thankful to International Book of Records for giving me such a beautiful title, that is Super Talented Kid. Thank you so much.